to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you what according to me is a really great fall makeup look. It is the one you're already seeing on my face right about now. It's very autumn, it's very fall, it's also very wintry just because it's the warmer side, darker side of the palette that I've chosen to work with in today's look. If you are watching this video, it means that majority of you polled to watch this tutorial here on my YouTube channel, so thank you so much for that. A little reminder that majority of my viewers over here on my channel, the stats tell me, are actually not subscribers, and a lot of my subscribers turns out don't have those bell notifications on. So if you don't, please go ahead and turn those bell notifications on and join the subscriber fam, because it really helps a relatively new on YouTube, a small content creator like me rather here on YouTube, to grow if you go ahead and turn those bell notifications on and join the subscriber fam officially by hitting that button instead of just relying on the algorithm to show you my videos. Let's not make this intro any longer and let's dive right into this tutorial. So I'm starting out with the MAC Studio Moisture Cream. This gives that really nice glow from within kind of a look and is perfect to go in with before you apply your primer if you're looking for a nice dewy base. I'm using the primer oil that I go to all the time to make sure that my makeup lasts nice and long. This is particularly great for normal to dry skin types. The Milani 2-in-1 foundation and concealer is just so great. I've done a detailed wear test on this one and I really like what it does for my skin. It's also matching my skin really nicely at the moment, since a lot of my foundations have been up and down because of my tan and lack of tan in some areas through this lockdown. But this one works really well for me. It's also medium to full coverage, so it's really flexible to work with too. The Forever 52 concealer is something I'm reaching for a lot at the moment. It has a really nice natural to buildable kind of opacity. It's something that also has a tad bit of warmness in it, so I don't need to use a corrector separately, which is absolutely fabulous. The Huda Beauty baking powder. Now this is one that I absolutely love. This is something that you can leave on your face for a longer period of time, or you can just simply set your face with. I like to apply a little bit of this around my mouth as well to ensure that I don't have much creasing around my laugh lines and all, which I get really easily. This contour and highlighter duo is one of my favorites. Between the two, the contour is really the hero for me. The highlighter, it's there and it's nice, so I use it, but the contour is such a star. Highly recommending this product to you guys. Okay, so for the blush, I'm going ahead and applying this a little bit towards the lifted areas of my face, around above my cheekbones rather. I have completely stopped applying blush to the apples of my cheeks, as some of you may have noticed. This is to give my face that nice foxy makeup style lifted look. I've applied a little too much blush here, so I'm also kind of buffing it out with the help of a clean brush, which is something you can do if you ever go in with too much product. Using the Obsessions palette, you guys know how much I love the formula of this. I'm dipping in with a warm tone orange shade towards the outer corner and just building it up. And then with a slightly brighter shade, actually, I'm going into the inner corner. You won't see too much of this by the end of it because I'm going back in with a darker orange and just kind of adding more dimension towards the outer half as well as the lower lashes. And then with the help of this orange gelato pencil, I'm going into my lash line, which helps emphasize it a little bit more. This is a full face pencil. You can use it on your eyes as well as your lips. I forgot to do my brows, something I don't find myself saying very often. As usual, going ahead and just kind of filling them in and combing them outward, which has become my usual brow routine. And then with the help of a clear gel, I'm going ahead and setting all of it in place. Then I'm going back into the eyeshadow with a nice matte highlight shade and just kind of filling in the gap around the brow bone and matching it into the eyeshadow. For the liner, I chose a gel formula today. This is one that I reach for quite a bit, and I actually swapped up the thin brush with an angled brush, which makes your life much simpler if you're looking for a nice big wing. For the lashes, I went in with the Max Lash Volumizing Botanical Mascara from Lotus Makeup. This is a really nice natural mascara. It's definitely not full volume or anything, but since I was gonna slap my lashes on anyway, this was absolutely perfect and gave me a natural finish. And then I added the lashes on. Going back into the same contour highlighting duo, I'm using the highlighter this time into the inner corners of the eye to give my eye makeup that pop and make my eyes look bigger, and of course using the same highlighter on all of the high points of my face. Then with the same orange pencil I used earlier, I am outlining my lips and also filling my lips in before I go ahead with the lipstick. For the lipstick, I chose Chili. This is a shade that I'm sure you guys have seen and heard about. I absolutely love the beautiful tone, the warm tone of orange that it is. It just kind of pulled in the makeup look so beautifully. It was perfect. And now that I'm done, I was ready to go ahead and set all of it in together. Enjoyed today's video. Please make sure to give me your thoughts on it down below in the comment section, which reminds me, the WearFam comment shout out for today goes to Mariam Moeen. Guys, please keep talking to me down below in the comments because I'm always reading, liking, hearting and responding to all of your comments. I make it a point to do this very regularly so that every video comment goes answered. Also, please tell me in that same comment section what you'd like for me to film more, whatever your suggestions and requests may be. You must be at the end card right about now if you are watching it. Just a reminder to go ahead and actually hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much, you guys. I love you so much. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Mwah!